Alright, so Turbo Tornado. If you've never done Turbo Tornado, we split up into 3 groups. That means I'll have some on the treadmill, some on the rowers, and some on the weight floor. From there, everybody will warm up. It's a 3-minute warm-up. Then it is showtime. You have a 1 minute all out on the treadmill, 1 minute all out on the rowers. You're trying to get 250 meters. That's about the goal. In the weight floor, 1 exercise, 1 minute. It is a fast transition of 45 seconds. That means as soon as you get on that treadmill, give me your base speed, your base incline. As soon as you get on the rower, get the feet strapped in. It's also your recovery. It's a tornado, guys. We're going fast, we're going quick. So just get ready for it.
Those that work forces are the same that burn crosses. Some of those that work forces are the same that burn crosses. Some of those that work forces are the same that burn crosses. Some of those that work forces are the same that burn crosses.
Hey, thanks for the team coming out from the can. 8-7, rock it. Everyone, 2 seconds, let's